guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am super excited because I am unboxing the Apple Watch Series 5. Oh my god! Actually, this is my first Apple Watch. I got the gold aluminum case, pink scent sport band, and I got another band because I wanted to match it with my phone. My vitamin C sport band loop. I got the 40 millimeters because I don't have a big wrist. So let's just start. Okay, so here we have that it says Apple Watch. I'm just gonna take this off. This is so satisfying. Okay. Let me see if I know how to open this. I put it over here. Oops, I'm sorry. Ta-da! Okay, so let's just open the box. So here we have some instructions, I guess, on how to use the Apple Watch. I guess I'm gonna need it because actually this is my first time. So here we have this charge thing. Sorry. And we have the charge cable. I'm breaking everything. This is actually how it looks. This is really cool. And this is the actual Apple Watch. And let me take this off. I'm gonna save this. Oh my god, it turns by itself. It turns by itself, I guess. Maybe I did it, I don't know. Maybe I touched it. But let me just show you the band. Put this in the side. So this is the port band that I got. Like I said before, I wanted to buy this band to match it with my phone, and it's actually the same color as you can see. And here we have two. This one, let me see which is the medium large. This one, and this one is small medium. I guess I'm gonna use small medium because my wrist is really too small. And this is a different material of the other one. This is more like okay, and appears right away the Apple Watch. So we press continue, and here we have to like put the watch. Okay, so now we're going to start setting up the phone. I mean the watch. So we press set up Apple Watch. So on which side, where's your Apple Watch? I think it's this one. I don't know, I guess. So let's say left. Yeah. Okay. So just some terms and conditions. We press agree. It's really cool. It says 4mm aluminum case. Okay, so now we here enable road tracking, share settings, and create password. Not right now. And key setup activity. You know what? I'm gonna do that later. Can do this later. says keep your Apple Watch up to date. Let's continue. And it's emergency SOS. And clock faces. Continue. It's asking me to install some faces. Let's install them all. So it's saying the Apple Watch is syncing. I don't know. So let's press yes. So I was trying to put the sport band and it says it was ready, so I guess it's ready. So this, I guess this is like the normal things like the Wi-Fi and the things that the phone has. Well, setting up a Apple Watch is actually faster than setting up a phone. Let me see if I can get used to this because I don't even know what I'm doing right now, how this goes. So I got the Apple Watch from the Apple Store and they are right now for $300.99 plus taxes. And I also got the Sport Band. This one is $50. And I believe that I paid for everything, it was almost $500, like $447. I think that if you want to get this one, I saw a better deal on Amazon. So the battery life for the Apple Watch 5 is 18 hours. It is also waterproof. It has a Siri. It tells you the time. You can call your friend, hey Siri, called Lax me.
Calling Lax mobile. Calling Lax mobile.
It's calling Lax, my friend. So as you can see, it will definitely, you can call your friend from the Apple Watch and it will appear on your phone. Lax te llamo ahora. So this is it guys for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know if it's too long or too short, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.